Now here is the fourth problem where we have to find what is the problem. The problem is the number of accidents for 7 days in a locality are given below. Number of accidents and frequencies. Okay, 1 minute. So in this problem they have given us number of accidents and frequencies. For number of accidents, zeros, total 15 are there. Number of accident equal to 1, total 19 are there. For 2 it is 22, for 3 it is 31, for 4 it is 9, for 5 it is 3, and for 6 it is 2. So for first 0 day it is 15, for first this is one accident, okay, total 19, and similarly we will get what for 6 number of 6 accident there are 2 frequency, there is 2 frequency. Now what we have to find, what is the number of cases when 3 or less accident occurs. So option A is 56, option B is 6, option C is 68, and option D is 87. Now come to solution of this. So here what we have number of accidents from where to where, from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, okay, and corresponding frequencies are 15, 19, 22, 31, 9, 3 and 2. Here I considered less than cumulative frequency. Why? Because we want that less than what is our question? We want the number of cases when 3 or less accidents occurs, okay. So for that we want this less than cumulative frequency. So how do we find that less than cumulative frequency? For the first thing you need to keep as it is. So 15 you will keep this as it is. Next is what? Next is 1. So 1's corresponding frequency is 19. But what I want cumulative frequency or number of accident less than or equal to 1. So this less than or equal to 1 consists of 0 as well as 1. So I considered here this 15 plus 19 gives me what? 34. Okay. Similarly for this 2, less than or equal to cumulative frequency is what? This 2th frequency plus 1th frequency plus 0 frequency. So addition of this 3 will be 56. Actually I considered here addition of this first 2 here. So you will directly add this 34 with this 22 gives you 56. Similarly you will do like this. So here it is 31 plus 56 gives me 87. Then 87 plus 9 gives me 96. 96 plus 3 gives me 99. 99 plus 2 gives me 101. So all these are cumulative frequencies, right? So here less than zeros frequency is what? 15. Less than 1 is nothing but 34, right? Here we considered less than 1 34, less than 2 will be 56, less than 3 will be 87. And what they have asked us? They have asked us what will be the number of accident is 3 or less. So less than 3 is equals to 0's frequency plus 1's frequency plus 2's frequency plus 3's frequency, which is nothing but 87. So in front of this 3 I got cumulative frequency for x less than or equal to 3. So my answer is what? Answer is 87. Now come to our question. So here my correct option is 87. I hope you understood this problem. This cumulative frequency